let's get to some economic data out just moments ago. Rick Santelli has it for us. Rick.
David, this is a big day. Leading economic indicators for the month of November came in positive, up 0.3%. They have had 32 consecutive months without a positive number. We had 1-0 this year, but the last positive integer was in February of 22, and it was equal to the current 0.3. To find a bigger number, you're going all the way back to December of 2021. And on that, we see that interest rates, particularly that 10-year, making new high yields on the session. And should they close here, highest yield closes going all the way back to the end of May, and the yield curve steepening to the tune of 25 basis points currently, also the steepest since the end of May. We'll call it about 7 months. And we also have November existing home sales hitting the wires. And for that, we go to Diana Olick. Diana?
Well, Rick, existing home sales in November rose 4.8% to a seasonally adjusted annualized rate of 4.15 million units. Sales up 6.1% year over year. That's a beat. The street was looking for a 2.5% gain from October. This count is based on closings, so contracts likely signed in September and October. Mortgage rates had fallen to an 18-month low in September, but then shot higher in October. Now, the supply of homes for sale, 1.33 million units, up 17.7% from November of last year. At the current sales pace, that is still just a 3.8-month supply. 6 months is considered balance between buyer and seller. That pressured prices. The median price in November, $406,100, up 4.7% year over year, and 18% of sales went above list price. First-time buyers gained some ground. 30% of November sales, up from 27% the month before, slightly lower than a year ago, though. Cash is still king at 25% of sales, and investors pulled back. Just 13% of sales, down from 18% in November of last year. And I do want to note that mortgage rates shot up yesterday after the Fed announcement, up 21 basis points to well over 7%, 7.13%. And with bond yields going up again today, David, guess where they're going?
Yeah, higher, I think.